Hi, I'm Chris with BulletProof Hitches, and today I want to show you our solid steel billet pintle attachment. Signature texture black powder coat, rated to 36,000 pounds with our extreme duty hitches, 22,000 pounds with our heavy duty hitches, works on either model, and simply drop the loop over the ball, install the bulletproof pintle attachment, and you're ready to go. Now we have the loop placed over the 2 5/16 ball. Simply drop in the billet pintle attachment, put in the 5/8 pin, and you're ready to go. Unlike traditional pintle setups, there's a very small amount of room here, which means a lot safer towing and a lot more comfortable towing without that constant banging back and forth every time you brake or accelerate. Rated to 36,000 pounds with extreme duty hitches, bulletproof.